Good morning, I'm Rashan Gidwani, and you are watching the Daily Morning Note. It's Friday, the 3rd of March, 2023. In our Technical Pulse section, Phillips Security Research Analyst Zane Aw has a sell on Baidu. The sell price is $143.66. The stop loss is $155, and you can take profit at $122 and $107. In our research section, Phillips Security Analyst Ambrish Shah upgrades his recommendation for Block Inc. to accumulate with a target price of $91 from the previous $70. Singapore stocks extended their decline for the fourth day on Thursday as traders raised expectations of a higher terminal interest rate. The Singapore market lost 0.6% or 20.18 points to 3,234.90. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq opened lower on Thursday as the 10-year Treasury yield surged above 4% on bets of tighter monetary policy for a longer period, while Tesla fell after it gave few details on its affordable electric vehicle. Jardine Matheson Holdings on Thursday posted an underlying net profit of $1.6 billion for the financial year 2022, up 5% from underlying earnings of $1.5 billion in 2021. The company attributed this to strong showings by Astra and its other Southeast Asian businesses held by Jardine Cycle and Carriage. DFI Retail Group on Thursday posted underlying earnings of $29 million for the fiscal year 2022 ended December, down 72% from earnings of $105 million in financial year 2021. The group's net loss for the year stood at $114.6 million versus earnings of $102.9 million in the prior year. Property Group Hong Kong Land on Thursday reported underlying earnings of $766.1 million for 2022, down 20% from earnings of $966 million in the prior year. Net profit came in at $203 million for the year after including net non-cash losses of $573.4 million due chiefly to lower valuations of the group's investment properties. Asset manager BlackRock is Mapletree Logistics Trust's latest substantial shareholder. The trust announced in a bourse filing on Thursday. The filing stated that BlackRock on February 28th, through one of its subsidiaries, acquired just under 1.8 million units of MLT for a total consideration of about 3 million Singapore dollars via a market transaction. The auction of Singapore's latest 6-month Treasury bill closed with a cutoff yield of 3.98% on Thursday. The T-bills, a risk-free fixed income product backed by the Singapore government, were around 2.8 times subscribed for the 4.7 billion Singapore dollar allotment in the latest auction. The number of Americans filing for new claims of unemployment fell again last week, pointing to sustained labor market strength that could keep the Federal Reserve raising interest rates. Initial claims for state unemployment benefits dropped 2,000 to a seasonally adjusted 190,000 for the week ended February 25th, the Labor Department said on Thursday. Shares of the cloud security company Zscaler tumbled more than 11% in after-hours trading. Though the company trounced analysts' estimates on the top and bottom lines for the fiscal second quarter, it narrowly beat expectations for billings, according to FactSet. Billings for Zscaler came in at $493.8 million, compared to FactSet's estimates of $491.4 million. Dell shares gained nearly 3% after its fourth quarter earnings and revenue topped Wall Street's estimates. The tech company's adjusted earnings were $1.80 per share, higher than the consensus estimate of $1.63 from analysts polled by Refinitiv. Oil prices rose on Thursday, boosted by signs of a strong economic rebound in top crude importer China and easing worries of aggressive U.S. rate hikes. Brent crude futures settled at $84.75 a barrel, gaining 44 cents or 0.5%. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures settled at $78.16 a barrel, rising 47 cents or 0.6%. That's all for today. For financial news, tune in weekdays at 8:30 a.m. live on YouTube and Facebook. Please like and subscribe for more. See you again and have a great day.